Freddy was determined to win. Freddy huffed and puffed up the mountain.
Flatten my funnel, he wished. I used to be able to chuff up here in no time.
Rheneas and Skarloey were waiting to start the race.
If I get to the bottom without you bumping my buffers, I've won, wished Freddy.
All right, fearless Freddy, tooted Rheneas. Ready? Steady? Go! Freddy raced along. Rheneas and Skarloey tried to catch up with him. But Freddy was racing very fast until he began to run out of puff.
Oh no! Those young engines will bump my buffers,
He chuffed sadly. Suddenly, he remembered an old track.
The old rocky way, he wished. No one will remember that now.
Rheneas and Skarloey didn't see Freddy go a different way.
This way's much quicker,
Puffed Freddy.
I'll be at the bottom in no time.
Freddy rejoined the main track. Soon, Freddy was at the bottom of the hill.
I did it,
Puffed Freddy.
Those young engines couldn't catch me.
You're so fast, wished Rheneas. Race you again, chuffed Skarloey. Please?
Of course, tooted Freddy. Fearless Freddy never says no to a race.
In no time, the little engines were ready to race again. We'll race you down the other side this time, puffed Rheneas.
The other side of the mountain is very steep, wished Freddy.
You're not scared, are you? Peeped Skarloey.
Of course not. I'm Fearless Freddy, chuffed Freddy. Off we go!
Freddy raced ahead of the other engines. Soon he began to run out of puff again. But Freddy didn't want to lose. Then, Freddy remembered another old track.
The craggy track,
Puffed Freddy.
I know this railway like the back of my buffers.
And soon he arrived at the bottom, safe and sound. But Rheneas and Skarloey weren't safe and sound at all. The track was very steep. Rheneas and Skarloey were determined to bump Freddy's buffers, so they were racing very fast. Faster, wished Skarloey. Then there was trouble. Rheneas raced right off the track. Oh no! cried Skarloey. Freddy was waiting at the bottom of the mountain. He was very pleased with himself. Suddenly, Skarloey raced in. Rheneas has come off the track, Skarloey cried. And I don't know where he is. We were trying to catch you, Fearless Freddy.